If you look at my screen, you can see over here, I have a dashboard. This is what I actually do for a living, helping businesses to analyze data, tell story with their data, help them to make decisions without basing their final decision on a guesswork. So the reason why I'm making this video is not to teach you about Power BI, Excel, Python, or other tools for data analysis. So I'm making this video because I want to actually inspire you to actually, take whatever you're doing very seriously. So how did I get here? I mean, how did I start creating this? How did I know how to analyze data? Because I never had, a tech background from school. So my first degree was in public administration. So I quickly knew that this particular public administration wouldn't take me anywhere. So immediately after I graduated, I did a diploma in tech. So that has actually opened my mind and my eyes to technology. You understand? Because I know the current shift right now is actually, in skill. So nobody cares about if you have first class, second class, or power or whatsoever. All they care about is what can you do? What can you use your brain to do? So for that, I learned how to analyze data. And today, I have a channel that actually covers Excel or Power BI, and it has over 90,000 subscribers, which means I have helped a lot of people, millions of people across the world. And I make a lot of money by doing this. So aside creating content, I make a lot of money offline by doing this. You understand? So let me actually, teach you what you can do specifically if you have, your first degree, or you're doing your first degree in a different, discipline entirely that is not connected to technology, and you want to actually, learn tech. So this is what you must do. Even though if you are a computer science student, you can never have the kind of knowledge that I have practically. All they are going to teach you is theory. So to gain practical knowledge right now, you have to learn from other persons that had been doing that thing and make money from it. And sometimes, maybe due to environment, you might not find somebody that is doing what you love. So what are you supposed to do? YouTube is always your friend. Go to YouTube and search for what you want to learn, and ASAP, you're going to see lots of videos about what you want to learn, and choose whichever, creator you want to follow and start learning. So I started this particular career as a data analyst from YouTube, right? Then after then, I felt like, okay, it is time for me to upgrade. I bought several courses on it and I learned it. But let me let you know one thing. We have two types of investment. The first investment is time investment, and the second investment is money investment. So if you ask me, which one do you think is actually a must? To me, money investment should be secondary. The primary investment you should need to have as somebody that wants to develop any career should be time investment. Let me tell you why. You see, you can actually have all the money in the world. If you don't have time to actually work, develop the skill, after you might have purchased every gadget, every instrument, every courses you need. And even though if you go to the best school and you don't sit down and learn, there is nothing that will actually come here. So for that, you need time, even with your money. So without money, if you have that time, there are several free resources online that you can use to actually, learn anything you want to learn. So initially, when I just started learning this particular, data analytics of a thing, so I don't have money. So I actually started using free resources online. I go to YouTube, I watch some YouTube videos, I replicated what they have done. So with time, when I actually, have little money, I started from a platform that I can actually get, courses in a very cheap rate. That is Udemy, right? So after then, I purchased courses from, sites like SQL BI. This particular site is on the high end. It's from $100 and above, $500 and all of that. So I made some little money. I actually started investing right on those platforms. So which definitely means that you don't need money to start anything you want to start. There are several free videos that can even help you to start making money before you even have money. Let me tell you, if I should be frank with you, I have started making money with data analytics before I started investing my money into it. So it was the money I was making from the little, stuff I can do that I was reinvesting back into it that actually grew my knowledge. So if you want to learn anything, it might not be data analytics. It could be video editing, any other thing, anything at all that you want to learn. Go to YouTube, search for it, start learning with your free time. No money is involved. So when you now start making money right now, so to actually get to the top, to the place you want to be, buy courses online, study online. So if there are offline classes, you can actually take physical classes if you love it. Because me, I don't feel like physical classes is actually for me. I love going online to learn at my own, free will. You understand? So do it is very, very important. So what is the essence of this particular video? The essence of this video is to show you a proof that you can make money online, but it is not the other way around. This is not a get rich quick. It took me 3 solid years to consistently doing wrong thing and the right thing before I can be able to become who I am today. So it might take you more or less, I don't know. It depends on how much time you have and how hungry you are before you can be able to actually achieve the kind of success that you want. So if you put in the work, if you put in the time, you might achieve more success than I had ever achieved, than anybody you're looking up to had ever achieved. It is all about you, not about them, not about us, not about anybody. It is how much time you are willing to spend every single day learning and practicing. You understand? So now I believe this particular video will definitely help someone. If it does help you, all you have to do is to follow for more, and see you in my next videos.